Today's topic, endocrine system. 1. Which hormone primarily controls the growth of ovarian follicles? 2. Overdose of intravenous insulin may lead to the death, because? 3. Which hormone directly antagonizes aldosterone in its modus operandi? 4. Diabetes mellitus type 1 is caused due to the deficiency of which hormone? 5. Name a hormone secreted from zona fasciculata and having anti-insulin effect. 6. Name the catecholamine that inhibits prolactin. 7. Which gland of human body produces the natural forms of putrescin and pitocin? 8. Which part of testis secretes anti-Müllerian hormone? 9. Thyrocalcitonin is secreted from which cell? 10. Insulin-like growth factor 1 is secreted from which organ?
Dear students, if you ever feel that we are adding any value to your learning, then please subscribe to our channel and press the like button for the individual videos. This will encourage us to post more quality content in future. So here are your answers for today's questions. 1. Follicle stimulating hormone. 2. Hypoglycemic shock. 3. Atrial natriuretic factor. 4. Insulin. 5. Cortisol. 6. Dopamine. 7. Hypothalamus. 8. Sertoli cells. 9. Parafollicular cells of thyroid. 10. Liver. Thank you everyone. See you soon in our next quiz.